Good afternoon, this is Elliot here at Das Trucks with another one of our walk around videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our available inventory as we list it. Our phone number and website are going to be down in the description. Today we got a 2012 Chevy Express cargo van 3500 with rear wheel drive. Now this particular van is already outfitted with a carpet cleaning machine in the back, which I will show you in a second. Now this carpet cleaning machine does not have its own engine. It is hooked up directly to the van's engine. Let's take a look in the back here. Some of the various carpet cleaning equipment that will come with the purchase of this vehicle. I also have a lot of cleaning chemicals that will come with it as well. I will show you later. Itself. It is a Sapphire Scientific PRO-1200 machine. Some of the extra equipment, hoses, and everything that will come with this vehicle. Now taking a look inside the interior, this vehicle, like all of our vehicles, has been thoroughly detailed inside and out, as well as underneath the hood. As you can see, the seats are in great condition. No rips or tears. Center console, very clean. And here is the direct drive system for the carpet cleaning machine. Ports right into the engine bay, goes right next to the driver's seat here and back into the machine itself. This particular vehicle has 135,739 miles and it needs a little air in the tires at the moment. Go ahead and take a look under the hood. All the filters and fluids have been changed underneath the hood, and it has been detailed as well. This particular Chevy comes equipped with a 4.8-liter flex fuel V8 with a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. Everything looking and running great, and this truck is ready to get to work. And there you have it, a 2012 Chevy Express Cargo Van 3500, rear wheel drive with a 4.8-liter flex fuel V8 engine and an already fully set up and functioning carpet cleaning system. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.